枪的唐布么是，枪的你边么是，穷的前边右边，写个看给是穷。Hello, Tamala Destile. So today we are going to learn Tibetan Lesson 15. Tibetan Lesson 15 is asking, what do you want? And then we learn how to answer this question. So in the beginning lesson, we learn new terms. Kya, cha, cha. Which of the picture is cha? I'm gonna give 5 seconds. Cha. Now it's your turn. How to read this? Nice. Cha. Pronunciation is cha, meaning tea. Cha. So nice we learn this and then so chu, 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 chu. Which of the picture is chu? Chu, chu, chu. Now it's your turn to read. Nice. Ma, oma, oma. So which of the picture is Woma? Woma, Woma, Woma. Now it's your turn. How to read this? Nice. Momo. Which of the picture is Momo? Momo, Momo, Momo. Now it's your turn. How to read this? Nice. So I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to make an arrangement whether which word is going to under which picture. Five more seconds. Gue, tha, nga naru, gue sa, gue, 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 cha, gue, cha, gue, cha, gue. Now it's your turn. How to read this? Cha, gue, gue. What do you think of gue means within this term? What do you think? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. So the good is want, need is a verb, right? So before the good there is a noun, right? So T is a noun. So you can say cha good, cha, good. Cha, good. Good. Pronunciation good. Ta cả nó good sa, good. Good. Pattern is cha, good. There's always a noun before the good. So the cha, good. Cha, good. Now it's your turn to read it this one. Nice. So how do you say want tea? Or we learned chagui, right? Want tea. So then now how do you say want water? So water we learn, right? So now it's your turn. Chu, good. Chu, good. Chu, good. Now how do you say want more? Momo, good. Gonna give you 5 seconds to make this Tibetan sentence. Cha, good. Cha, good. So we learned this word, right? Na, la, na la. So the na la, na means I, right? Na, la means is la is a helping word that for me or for him. So you can consider as helping word. So na la. So you can say la is also a small helper word in this pattern, connect the person with what they want, right? So who want what? So we say ngala, ngala, cha, good. So what do you think this sentence means? Ngala, cha, good. I want tea, ngala, cha, good, right? Ngala, cha, good. So I'm gonna 5 seconds how to make this sentence. Ngala, cha, good. Ngala, cha, good. Yeah, so we learn this pattern. Ngala, cha, good. Ngala, cha, good. Ka, Rajangburi, Kari. Now it's your turn. How to read this? Like, which is the picture means curry. Curry means what, right? Curry, curry. Which means what in this sentence, in this word here? So the answer is B, right? Curry, 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 good, curry, good. Good means I want, right? Want. So what want, right? So we learn this word, right? kye-rang-la, curry, good. So now it's your turn. Let's read this. So what do you think this sentence mean? Answer is A, right? What do you want? So let's see how it works. kye-rang-la. La is a small harbor, right? In this pattern, it connects the person with what they want, right? kye-rang-la. So we say, for you, what you want, right? kye-rang-la kye-rang-la. So kye-rang-la, this is like a question. So asking what do you want, right? So how do you make this sentence in asking question? kye-rang-la kye-rang-la. kye-rang-la kye-rang-la. Mala sugar. Mala sugar. Mala sugar. What did I say? What I want. So which answer did I say for this before? Mala sugar. Now it's your turn to choose the picture among this. Nala sugar. I said this right. I want water. Nala sugar. Nala chagur. Nala chagur. So what did you hear? Nala chagur. Chagur. So how do you make a sentence with this nala chagur? How do you make a sentence with this? Nala sugar. And this all like terms. The picture is puzzle, so then you can start making the answer, right? Um, so I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to make right picture under the right sentence. So this one is goes there, right? Mala sugar is here. Mala omagu is goes here, right? Mala chaku is going to there, right? Mala momoku. So the right picture under right sentence is. So these are the sentence or class we learn. If you have any question regarding this class, you can always contact me or leave a comment. 톡지치 가리슈고